All right, guys, it's Friday. The windshield is going in the 944 today, and I will be working on my 911, but that's not going to be on video. So I'm going to show you. They just finished up. I got a little bit of video of them putting it in, and I'll show you what a new windshield looks like. Yeah. All right, guys. So here I have the new impact bumper strips that go in the rear bumper. I got the left and the right side. So let's see what these puppies look like. I got these straight from the dealership, straight from Germany. Let's see here. Sorry about that. Trying to do this with one hand, it kind of sucks. Just bear with me with the headache. All right. Nice and shiny. Brand new. There's the part number. Oh, what? Made in Taiwan. 944. It came from Germany. Apparently these fuckers are made in Taiwan. What's SEA? Southeast Asia? I don't know. I'm just saying. But anyway, well, I got new ones. And they will be going on the bumper real soon. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, I'm putting the bumper pads onto the bumper. See how these line up. Fit. A little bit of an overhang. That's the right one. And it transforms the bottle. It's a square on the top. So something fits just like that. And get my bolts. Alright. So apparently, it's got bigger washers on. I'll pop these back in. These are a little bit special washers. Looks like the thing would have got there. Line it up on the old dirt rings on the inside. Put the bolts down on them. They go on so nice because everything is all brand new. Some of you might cringe. These are actually the gold-plated bolts from Advanced Auto Parts. So they work better than the old rusty ones. Eventually I have to get them zinc plated, cleaned up. Alright, so now I just gotta grab where's the 10 millimeter? And where is that 10 millimeter? Okay. Found it. Trying to adjust it to where it was, then I can reach up underneath and readjust it. So I'm just snugging them up now so they just don't slide around and whatever. Like that. Now grab the left side. This one's also made in Taiwan. What's the new thing now? I don't know. here. And there we have it, my friends. Brand new. Freshly painted and brand new. Alright, now we're going to stick it on. Alright, people. So I have the, I don't know what you call them, bumper shocks, bumper struts. I just put those in. Now I'm actually going to get ready to put the bumper on. I got brand new bumper pads that I'm going to be putting on there also. So that will be going on next. So follow along. All right. Good, good, good. It looks like this strut here has to get moved up. So, I have my ratchet here somewhere. I have things that like to walk away. Ah, it was hidden. So. Alright guys, rear bumper's installed and the rear bumper pads are installed. That looks freaking sweet already. How the black just pops with the red. Just amazing. So, alright, I'm gonna get onto those corner pieces and get those done now. And I'll be right back. Alright guys, let's see what Pelican parts dropped off today. I believe it's the script. Probably cut my hands again. And it won't be at first. I'll slice my stomach open. Alright, so let's see what we got here. It should be my script. Stickers. Voila. The Porsche script for the rear. Now, every time I do crap like this, it never lines up fucking perfect. So, I'm going to actually take my time and get this done so it looks right on there. I want to get some little rubbing alcohol out, clean off that whole piece, make sure it's dirt and goo free. So, I'll be back. Now, on the script, I did the option of the Porsche one. I just paid a little bit more money. It's probably the same thing, but I dealt with some of the aftermarket stuff and they just don't fit right sometimes. So, as much as I can, I always get the Porsche one. Even though I know I'm getting raped, but I just feel a little bit better. All right, time to put it on. All right, so after 20 minutes of dicking around with this script here, I was able to measure it and tape it up to exactly where I want it. So I'm just going to put it on and then I'll show you the end results. Alright guys, so I got the script on. It looks okay. As you can see, the O and the R went a little up and down, I think. So other than that, it looks pretty good. I'm like, after a while, if it really bothers me, it's not bothering me right now. I'll get another script and put it on. At least I know how to do it now. It's a little weird. It'll probably be a lot easier with the bumper off. But I'm happy with it. It's a lot better than it looked before. So it's coming along pretty freaking good. So we got that done. Now I'm gonna put them little quarter sections in. That's what's next. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so I made a boo-boo. Those bumper pads go on last. These were probably laughing at me like, hey, moron, you don't put them on yet. You gotta put these corner sections on first. So I got that one on now. And then I'm gonna take this pad off and put that corner section on. So, and then it'll look even better. Then we'll check out the taillights, see if I can clean them up, make them shine again. If not, I'm going to try to source some new ones or some really, really good used ones. But, alright, let me get to the other side and show you what it looks like. Alright, got my cars in the way, but that is all done. Finally, I feel like I accomplished something for today. So, like I said, next will be probably them side lights, and then I gotta get the gaskets for the tail lights. Meantime, I gotta try and clean them up and polish them up. So, all right, let me sit back and think what I'm gonna do next. All right, guys, so I actually got brand new, oh, there it is. All right, guys, so I got brand new windshield trim clips that I'm going to install on the 944. So basically, these things go, I don't want to scratch it, they get pushed in, then they slide up. So I can't do this with one hand, so I need two hands, so I'll be back in a few minutes. In reality, it'll be like a second. All right, guys, I got it in. It's pretty fairly easy. It's not really hard at all. I actually have one of the old ones down there. So this was one of the, this is one of the ones that actually fell apart on me because it was rusty. It's one of them rusty fuckers. You see it broke right there. But I wasn't putting any of that stuff on, so it was actually cheaper going to the dealership and getting these than going through Pelican Parts. So these were like 8 something piece. Pelican Parts sells them for 10 something piece, and you don't have to pay for shipping. So, all right, I'm gonna put the rest of these on and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I have all 16 new ones installed. Some of them were a little tricky. I guess it's all in the paint and clear coat buildup on the little tabs that stick out. But all 16 are on there. Yep, it's getting there. So we got that done. Now I'm gonna try and get to the dash, cleaning all that dust up and all that crap.
Oh man, this is like my favorite.
Now I got the automatic braking. We don't pull it out at all.
Right.
They want you to readjust it every time you put a windshield in.
Really?
944.
Yeah, 944.
That's gonna be fun.
And the new windshield goes in.
Come in about a quarter inch on my side. Where the clip goes out, I'm right there on that edge.
You don't happen to have the trim handy. I just want to make sure I don't go too far now.
All right, guys, so there it is. Windshield never looked that good since 1984, I guess. So you can see, remember we stuck all the trim clips in, and I keep that on for overnight. Put a little gap between the windshield and that. I should line up down there. I lost a screw. Actually, I lost 2 of them. have no idea what I did with them. Thought they were all together, but get that one there. So windshield's all centered nicely. They checked it all out. Got the tape there. So yep, yeah, looks good. It's coming along. I gotta finish cleaning the dash, like I said the other day, but I never did. So yep, it is what it is. But I'm gonna go on to the next project on my 911. Then I will be back on this today, actually cleaning that, because I'm hoping to get the dashboard in today after I get all that crap cleaned up. But in the next 15 minutes, I'm gonna be looking for 2 screws. All right, guys, make sure you like and subscribe on the channel. Get updates on the 944 build, plus other builds that I have going on. That's gonna end it for this video for today. Next video, you'll see I will be putting the dash in, cleaning the all that crap up that goes behind the dash. That'll be getting cleaned first, then the dash goes in. Then I'll be putting all the rubber seals in and all that crap. So stay tuned, keep an eye out for updates. They'll be coming out more often now, and see you on the next video.